What's up guys, welcome to another day out with me. This morning we are at Bronkhorstspruit Dam. We are hosting the OUTCASTS in-house club comp, leg 4. Yes, leg 4. Yeah, so far I think there's only about 20 competitors that have come out. I'm gonna start off with fishing drop shot and net rig at a ridge that I know, nice little drop off with a whole lot of rocks, and see if I can pick anything up here, and maybe shoot a bit later and try a bit of the shallows and see how it is. It is a bit of a chilly morning, it's overcast, a bit of a wind already so early in the morning, but yeah, we'll see how the day goes, and hopefully pull out a banger. Cool, stay tuned and enjoy. Guys, yeah, it's crazy out here, super windy, the waves are quite crazy, it's early in the morning, it's chilly, I've got 3 little fish in the bag, in the live well, yeah, trying to get to the other side of the dam, oh my goodness, cast off the Lunker log Googan baits. Yes.
Yeah, guys, yeah, I just couldn't find those big ones once again. Gosh, the last 2 outings have just been crazy. For the Outcast Club comps, I just couldn't find the big ones. Plenty fish, but no big ones. Anyways, I'm not sure where I placed. I think there was about 20 anglers. I'm thinking somewhere, hearing the bags that came out. I didn't even hear what bag I weighed in. I let them weigh it and I walked away. I'm thinking 1.5 maybe. And yeah, it was what it was. It was a tough day. Bronkhorstspruit can be a schlep sometimes. Some guys did well. The winner found a 1.9 kilo fish, old Smitty, and yeah, so the rest of us struggled. But it is what it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys on the next video soon. Peace. Whoa!